Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Marsa Puspitasari. I'm from PAI Class 2C. The background of this abstract is that Islamic thought has experienced very rapid development throughout history, driven by a number of factors such as the openness of Muslims to foreign thought, love of science, strong academic culture, and so on. This development did not occur in a vacuum, but was influenced by social, political, economic, and dynamic in Islamic regions such as during the Umayyad, Abbasiyah, Andalusia, and other dynasties. The research objective of the abstract are one, to know the factor that support the development of Islamic thought and civilization. Two, to know the historical process of the development of Islamic thought and civilization. And last, to know the impact of the development of Islamic thought and civilization. This type of research is library research, namely, research whose main object is books or other sources of literature. That is, data are sought and found through literature review from books that are relevant to the discussion. This research is a qualitative research with a type of library research. This qualitative research uses the activity procedure and the final presentation technique descriptively. In the history of the development of Islamic thought, at first growing and developing rational thought, but then also development traditional thinking patterns. Rational thought pattern developed in classical Islamic times, especially during the Umayyad and Abbasiyah dynasties, while the traditional thought patterns developed in the mid-Islamic period, namely after the end of the Abbasiyah dynasty until the 18th century end. Impact of the development of Islamic thought and civilization. The classical era of Islamic experienced many amazing advances in the development of thought. Islamic civilization advanced and development in all sectors of life because it was supported by advance in science and technology. One example of technological development in this golden era is the development of papermaking technology. The development of Islamic thought during this period not only had a major impact on the progress of civilization in the Islamic world, but also greatly influenced the outside world, especially Europe and its surroundings. This Islamic thought movement gave birth to many Muslim and non-Muslim thinkers. Factors that support the development of Islamic thought and civilization. Here I will give two factors. Is one, as a defense to maintain the purity of Islamic faith by rejecting other beliefs or beliefs that conflict with Islamic teachings and explaining the true Islamic faith. And two, so that the principles of Islam remain intact as taught by the Prophet to be practiced by Muslims throughout time until the end of time. My suggestion for this research is need to sharpen the focus of the study so that this research covers a very broad aspect. It would be better if the focus of the research was narrow so that the discussion in more in depth. Relevance to the current context, this research will be stronger if it ends with a reflection on how Islamic thought can be used as inspiration to answer the challenge of today's Muslim.